In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to render your object. So if you click on this icon on the right hand side, under appearance you have a variety of different materials that you can just drag and drop. So if I pick glass, I can drag it onto the shape, right click, and I can choose which part I want. So I want it on both of the finger joint parts. Click back onto this again, so I may want to choose, for example, this big stone. Brick effect, just drag and drop, and I want it on both parts. You can't pick individual materials if you wanted to. Now at the moment you can't tell that that is actually brick, so you can click on to preview window. So if you go to Solidworks add-ins, click on to Photo View 360, render tools, and if you click on preview window, under the screen will pop up. Now it does take a bit of time. You can actually click on integrated preview and it'll show you on the screen. So as you can see in the Photoshop preview, in the window preview, you can actually see the materials, the texture of the materials rendered. This is a very quick preview. You can actually click on final render, which takes a bit longer to render the image, but for our purposes this should be enough. Now to copy this image, you can save the preview, or you can use the snipping tool to quickly copy the image, and you can paste that into Word or Publisher or PowerPoint presentation. You can also change the background by clicking on Appearance tab, and you have background tab somewhere, scenes, the background scene. So you can choose, for example, kitchen background, and you can place the object. You can change it around, you can play with it around with the settings until you're happy with the setting. Now the benefit of some of these background scenes is that if you have a metallic object, it'll reflect the object into the actual product. So then you can render this, like I'll do integrated previews. This time it's actually previewed inside the window. This takes a bit of time to load up. So this time I can view this in my screen, and you can play about with the settings to get this right.